What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on ZBCN, which is one of the main coins that I am currently watching. So if you are interested about the exact setup that I am planning to take and also about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. Right now we are retesting this bearish order block area, which is between level 0.00592 and 0.005620. For me to, let's say, open here a long position, I want to see breakout and then support confirmation of this area. Opening a long position on the current level is, in my opinion, making not that much sense because we are between this important resistance and this important support, so we simply don't have here good risk-reward ratio. So the first possible setup will be valid, as I said, in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this area. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with the resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And last take profit target, you want to place above this previous important highs, because this is the next important area where I'm expecting a liquidity grab. So potential profit is around 21% of a net market, potential stop loss around 6, risk reward ratio up to 3.5, which is, in my opinion, really great potential setup. In this case, you probably want to take like 2 take profit targets. So first profits you can, for example, take around this previous important high, so level 0.06426. Then you can save some back to a last take profit target. This will give you risk reward ratio in the end around like 2.7, which is again really great setup. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am every day sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. Of course, if you want to speculate here on higher returns and you, for example, want to trade here the price discovery phase, you can place the last take profit target under that $0.01 mark, which will give you a potential profit around 65-66% of a net market. The main problem that I am having with this setup is that this is really important resistance. So let's say under the current all-time high, you need to take at least like 30 or like 40% of the entire trade. Then some of the profits you can, for example, take under 0.0089, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. In my opinion, after that breakout and then support confirmation, there is still pretty high probability that eventually we are gonna take liquidity, let's say, under that $0.01 mark. So of course this move can happen, but as I said, take some of the profits under this previous important highs, because there is let's say slightly higher chance that we can see something like a double top, retracement of this bearish order block, and then perhaps another pump. So just be prepared for this. This potential trade with that many profits can give you risk reward ratio from 11.1 like 7, 8, something like that, which is again really great setup. But keep in mind that this second trading scenario is having slightly, let's say, lower probability that all take profit targets will be hit. Also, there is of course absolutely zero guarantee that eventually there will be this breakout with a support confirmation. So if there will be another dump, which for me right now this is definitely a lower probability, I am expecting this breakout and then support confirmation, we can also use this liquidity grab under these 2 previous important lows and then a support confirmation in this area. We can also use it as a potential long entry. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under the low that we will create during a fake out. Last take profit target, we can place under this previous all-time high. So In this case, risk reward ratio up to 6.1 with multiple take profit targets, we will get to risk reward ratio like 4, 5, something like that, which is still really great setup. Just keep in mind that in this trading scenario, you want to take majority of the profits under this bearish order block and then keep the rest to this previous all-time high. If you want to speculate from this liquidity grab to like that $0.01 mark, of course you can. Again, there is a lower probability that eventually we will hit this level, but this trade can give you risk reward ratio up to 14.1. So, well, actually this is pretty great setup. So you probably want to also think about this potential scenario. And if you want to follow all of my trades and you want to get access to all of my analysis, then don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing setups like this every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. The last potential trade that we can actually trade on the 4-hour chart will be valid in case of a liquidity grab of this bullish order block area, so level 0.004030. Right now, really small chance that eventually this will happen, but if it will, you, for example, want to trade here something like this. This is high risk reward ratio trade, but if eventually this will be the bottom, you can have with really small risk management absolutely insane profit. On the 12-hour chart, this is in my opinion looking really bullish. Right now, I am simply waiting to this, let's say, current all-time high, because probably there is not that much time left until we will reach it. If there will be another huge jump, you can, for some, let's say, long-term buy, you can watch this bullish order block, which is starting on level 0.003949. But let's say to this order block to be reached, there needs to be a current dump around like 28% of a net market, which I am, let's say, currently not expecting with an altcoin like this. Yeah. So yeah, the only potential setups that I will be actually looking at are these long positions on the 4-hour chart. So I am waiting here either for a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block, or a liquidity grab under the level 0.04618. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin and what is the exact price that you are expecting this coin is gonna hit. As I said, for me, the main long-term target is 0.01. So from a current level, still a potential profit around 80% of a net market. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.